Alright guys, let's build a gang sheet. So here we are on the gang sheet page. Let's get started. We're gonna click right here. So once you get on, you'll be prompted to start a brand new gang sheet, open a previous ordered auto build, or open a working gang sheet. I had already started this because I've started this video 4 different times for you guys. We're gonna have a great time. Alright, so let's start a brand new gang sheet, shall we? So it just got rid of all my clip art, that's fine. So here you can sign in up here. Here's your save, add to cart, save and close. So you can just save these to your account, or you can add it to your cart at the same time. Here is very important, your little key. So there's gonna be a box around each image that you upload, and you're gonna see what that means. So over here you can either upload your own images. If you click this, this will open up your file folders. My images will be anything you previously already uploaded from here, and then from gallery is stuff that we have uploaded for you. So if we go into from my images, you'll see the ones that I have uploaded here. So let's throw one of these big D's in here. So now you'll see all of your images come up over here. They have not gone to your gang sheet yet. You still have to click on them for how many of you want. So here you're going to see all your options for your images. You can crop, remove background, we'll get to that one, duplicate, or change the size ratio of him now. Typically for sizing, width, I go for like a 3.5 to a 4, depending on what I'm going to do for it. If it's going to be for a tumbler, I'm usually around 3.5 inches wide. If it's going to be for a Libby can or something of that size, I'm kind of into the 4-inch options, so that's what you'll do here. Up here you have a whole bunch of cool functions too, so you can do an auto margin. You can also take this off if you want. I suggest taking it off if you don't mind moving the artwork around, because you can get them a lot closer together. And your visual aids, I highly recommend using a visual aid that's not a white background, because you won't know if you upload an image that has a background. So this is very important. So here you see Big D. You can see all the checker behind him. He does not have any background. When I print this, only Big D and the image that you see is going to print out. So now let's add my cute little spider friend. So all of a sudden, right away, his box is orange, and you see Big D's box is green. So if I go over to my key here, you'll see that orange means good resolution. Not bad, not great, but we can definitely deal with that. So, but look, he has white in his background. I'm gonna make him bigger so you can see. So with your with your item selected, you are going to come back over here to your options, and we're going to click remove background, because we do not want him to print out with that. So again, guys, this is so important. If you see that white and you know that you're on the background of your builder is the checker, this white will print out white. So here we are in the built-in background remover. Now guys, this is really, really cool. So watch. First, we're just gonna remove the background. All right, so you can see only the background. This is actually really good remover. It removed all the background for us. But look at all these other options. You can literally just remove all the white, all the black, or a color. Let's see what that does. So here you can type in a color number, you can pick whatever you want, or you can come back over here and suck up a little color. So now let's remove that one. Let's see what happens, right? Ah! And if we wanted to do it again, you could literally do this for every color you wanted to. And then if you hate it, you can revert all your changes. So let's remove his background. This even has a feature, detect background using AI, of course. All right, so our background's removed. Let's apply this change. Now he doesn't have a background. So he will print much better. Of course, this was a smaller one. So if I make him, so you see, he was big and his box was red, but I moved him smaller. This image was made small, and those images just don't go big well. And, you know, I wish I had better words for you, but here we are. So if you do from the gallery, you will see all of the clip art that we have uploaded for you guys, and I'm still working on this to upload all of this as the day that this video is made. But if we click, so here's a whole bunch of Libby wraps. This is just from one designer. So let's grab some of her stuff. So I grabbed one, and I'm going to go back to the gallery because I wasn't done. I want more. It opens up to the same spot that you were at. This is my favorite part, because what if you wanted more from this page? So you notice I'm uploading these all, but they're not coming to my gang sheet builder yet. I have not told it to. They're still over here with the little 0. Alright, so if I want them to be in my gang sheet, we're going to click, 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 and now they're all over here. You do not have to click them all in like that. I just happen to always do that, so let's make these a lot smaller. They are watermarked right now. They will not be printed with this watermark, I promise you. Down. So now that they're smaller, we can move them around. And as you're resizing them, your sizes always come up here, clear as day. And then you guys just kind of put them wherever you want. So as you can see here, I'm signed in. I hit the sign in button so that I can make sure everything saves to my account. And here are your active gang sheets that you could working on. You can work on multiple gang sheets if you want. So let's save this because I don't want to lose my progress. And you can name it. So, tester. It'd be embarrassing if I spelled that wrong, wouldn't it? Alright. Says it was successfully saved. Additionally, I could have also just save and add to cart too. And then you'll get this, and it's going to ask you, and look, it came up our name, so it definitely remembered that we saved it. And it comes up with a few things to remind you, hey, are your images overlapping? Sometimes it'll tell you that images are overlapping and they're not. Their little boxes are overlapping. These happen to be perfectly cropped. Sometimes they're not, guys, and I really want you to pay attention to that. I'll get back to that in a second. So you just have to check these boxes, make sure that everything is good, and then you can add it right to your cart. You can add it and exit, or you can add it and create a new one right from here. So a lot of times you'll see an image, and the image will be in the middle, but the box will be around here. If whatever this number is going to be for your box, not for your image. It's going to be the size of the box. If your image is smaller than the box, grab an image that is cropped beautifully, like so, and then you can size it. So let's say this is 4.31 width, and if I wanted to make this the same, I could just overlap it, size it up, and then I know, the width is the same. And I can drag them around. It's super easy to drag everything and resize everything. And when in doubt, you have a whole bunch of cool tools up here. Look, I can click this guy and put him right back up there, or put him down there, all with a click of a button. Center in the artboard. These are fantastic. You can even type on this thing. So another great thing that you guys can do this, you guys can upload your business logos and put them right in here. You guys can personalize anything. You guys do not have to personalize drinkware with these. You can personalize equipment depending on what field you're in. All kinds of really cool stuff. You can personalize things for your customers. So if your customer has a landscaping business, you can upload their logo here, print a whole bunch of UV DTFs, and personalize things for them. This is a great tool for everyone, so I highly suggest trying the gang sheet builders, guys.